OPPO A96 5G is expected to be launched on April 14, 2022. The phone will be available in a variety of colors. OPPO is updating its lineup for the year, with the A series mid-range phone being the most recent to receive updates. The A96 5G is the brand's newest model. Let's discuss the specifications. This OPPO phone comes with a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The screen has a punch-hole design with a pixel density of 409 ppi. The A96 is equipped with the latest Snapdragon 695 CPU, which has 8 cores. This phone has 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage capacity. The Adreno 619 GPU powers this smartphone. The phone's power button is on the right side, and the volume controls are on the left. This phone has an on-screen fingerprint sensor beneath the display for security, as well as face unlock. Makes use of the selfie camera. The OPPO A96 boasts a dual rear camera with a primary sensor of 48 megapixels and a depth sensor of 2 megapixels. The phone sports a 16 megapixels selfie camera on the front that also allows video calling. OPPO has included a 4500 mAh battery in the phone. A battery with a USB Type-C connector that allows 33-watt fast charging. The phone runs Color OS, which is based on the current Android 12 operating system. On-screen fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and a headphone jack are among the phone's other features. On the device, there are a variety of connectivity options such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, 4G Volt, USB OTG, and GPS are all available on the smartphone. What do you think about this phone? Leave comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as well as press the bell button for notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.